Namaskar students. Today we will understand how to install Anaconda software for Python programming. So first of all you have to open Google and here you have to download anaconda.org. So by this way it will open Anaconda software for you. This is a website Anaconda. Here you can see we have download tab here and you have to click on the download Anaconda, and here you will find products tab, and in product individual edition you have to click. When you will click it, and the last of your this page, here you will find Anaconda installers, and this we will choose Windows operating system. Basically Mac OS and Linux we are not working. Basically at home we are using Windows and in school we are using Windows. So it depends upon you that your PCs you have 64-bit PC or 32-bit PC. So in latest PC you will find 64-bit graphical installer. You can download it by double clicking it. You can give a path where you want to store it, and here you can store it. I'm going to store it on desktop, and this way I'm going to store it. By this way we have download our software. It takes some times for downloading. You can see it will be a whole circle, and after some time you will find your download version. After download you have to double click on Anaconda latest version. You have to double click it and it will open this file, and it will ask you for the run. You have to click on run. It is a welcome page, welcome to Anaconda, and I'm going to click on the next version button. Then you have to click on the I agree button, and just me you have to click on the next. You have to click on the install location, and after next, after clicking the next button you will find this frame, and this frame you have to click on the add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. This is good when you are going to interact with the MySQL, when you want to connect Python with the MySQL, as you are installing it in 11th and 12th class. We are going to make some projects, and we need interface between Python and MySQL. So it is mandatory that you have to click on the path environment variable and then click on the install button. After clicking on this, at last it will show you this window, and you have to click on the next button. After installation it will give you a window like this, and it is the last window. You have to click on the finish button. Sometimes students used to install once, and they will find some problem in installation, and any other problem may occur, and they want to reinstall this Anaconda in their computer. So for this you have to go to uninstall from your control panel, and in control panel you have to go for the programs, and you can see here programs and features, and in this you have to go for the Anaconda, and you can see here clearly this is Anaconda, and then you have to uninstall it. After uninstallation, you have to go for the your Lenovo, and in Lenovo you will find Anaconda 3. You have to delete this Anaconda folder, and these all are also related to this. You can delete all these Anaconda folder if you want to reinstall your Anaconda. After deletion of this Anaconda folder, first uninstall Anaconda by control panel, then delete this Anaconda folder. After this, you can reinstall by that download that you have already done. So by this way you can reinstall your Anaconda if you have some problem.